Station 17 na kami guys. Basta 24 hours tong bus. Pakyaw namin. Pakyaw namin ng bus 24 hours. Ayan guys, dito na kami siguro sa gitna-gitna kasi 17 stops na kami. Ayan, madami din kami sa bus, hindi lang kami dalawa, kundi may iba't ibang lahi din na kasama namin yung mga turista na sumakay ng Tigpas. Mamaya puntahan namin yung TV, ano ba yun? Basta TV. Yung malaas na building. TV Tower na. Dito muna kami. Hi. Hey. What's happening? This is the wow.
The other side.
It's so nice here. Oh, it's so nice, honey. Waldorf Astoria. I know that hotel in States, in Chicago. They have also Waldorf Astoria there. Yes, when we stay. Ayan, nag-stop over kami dito guys, kaya lang ayaw na talaga bumaba ni Richard kasi nilalamig talaga siya, kaya nag-stay na lang kami sa bus. Yung mga kasamahan na lang namin, sila na ang bumaba at iwan ko anong ginawa nila sa labas, kaya kami na lang, yan, nakaupo lang kami ni Richard. Ayaw na niya kasing bumaba kasi nilalamig talaga siya. No snow here. No snowflakes. Stop snowing. No, we are here to have a snow, right, honey? We are here to have a snow.
Right here so you can see snow.
Yes. We are here to so that we can see snow. Why cannot? Why I cannot connect?
Yeah.
Connecting.
Wo ist denn die Masse? So, die kannst du doch mal anfangen. Da wird schon wieder. I can be blessed also.
Number 80.
To get another video. How many station, honey? 18 station?
19.
19 station
Okay.
po kami. Balik na kami doon kung saan kami nag-start kanina, pero
Soll ich wieder meinen Fuß daher und
we are
dann
going to
direkt wieder Wasser?
continue taking the bus. We're going to the TV tower.
It's not working Wi-Fi.
Huh?
So it's not working.
Number 5. Number 3. Sitzplatz.
Marie, da. Auf dem Plakat. Weil die sind da halb das Getränk für den Film. Die hat das Ananas. Das Getränk für den Film. Da will ich mir auch noch eine holen. Super.
May nagsasalita pero hindi ko naintindihan talaga yung ano nila, language, dialect ba yan nila, guys. Wala akong naiintindihan. Yung Morgan lang talaga na good morning. Yun lang ang naiintindihan ko. Kaya mahirap intindihin yung dialect ng Nadoids. Kaya need mo talaga mag-study niyan.
Gar nicht schon wieder ein Backwurst. Eigentlich gleich die Rutsche.
Number 3. Number 5. Mittelbau.
Alight or no need?
What?
We alight at checkpoint, Charlie.
Yeah, it should be coming.
I love Berlin.
See, there it is on the right. Should be. Where is he making it?
The baby.
Should be coming checkpoint Charlie. I think. Sometimes I think too much.
My honey.
Probably blendet so schnell.
Wiper na lang yung kamay ko, guys. Diyan kami nag-start kanina. So, wala nang snow. Kanina, kapal-kapal ng snow dyan. Berlin Souvenirs. Oy. Why it's called Checkpoint Charlie?
Because that's where the East German border was.
Ah, okay. Okay guys. Number 6. Dito kami kanina nag-start. Pero sasakay kami ulit. Pupunta kami doon sa may TV Towers. Kaya
We want to go.